Hey guys, welcome to Zane's Gaming and More. Today I'm going to show you how I check my blood. Now I'm going to get my, I'm going to get my pulser and glucometer out. And get my strip. And then put it on top of my glucometer. Get an alcohol wipe.
Why do you use an alcohol wipe?
To clean off my finger. Just like I did with my patch.
Oh, good idea.
Except I'm not using the sticky. And then wipe off my finger. There we go. And now insert my strip into the glucometer. And then pull this back. Put it on your finger. And then press the button. Squeeze out blood. Get this alcohol swab. And then
did you get enough blood the first time?
no.
So what are you doing?
I'm rechecking my blood to get more blood. There.
So you're re-poking your blood?
Uh-huh.
Now you need to make sure to wipe it off again.
Oh yeah.
Just to be safe.
There we go.
And squeeze.
And then squeeze again. And then put this right on the top of the blood. And then put which one it is. Fasting before meal or after meal, and I'm doing fasting, so let's just press the middle to do fasting, and then 77. That's all for today on Zane's Gaming and More. To see more videos to help your little ones with diabetes, like and subscribe to see more of how I take care of myself with diabetes. Bye!